Configure depots with margins, products, and location data. Depot management begins in the Trade Masters module to centralize terminal operations and logistics. The Depot Terminal Master serves as the primary registry for all storage and distribution hubs. The comprehensive depot list displays active terminals, their assigned distributors, and current approval statuses. Distributor selection links the physical terminal to a specific corporate entity for financial reporting. The depot name uniquely identifies the facility within the distribution supply chain network. Address details and precise location coordinates ensure accurate logistics routing and tax jurisdiction mapping. Regional categorization by state and city enables localized reporting and geographic performance analysis. Margin percentage defines the standard loss margin applied to products distributed through this specific terminal. Precise latitude and longitude mapping facilitates automated distance calculations for transport billing. The integrated map interface validates the physical location to prevent data entry errors. Product associations define exactly which fuel types or commodities are handled at the site alongside with depot charges to map operational costs incurred during the transfer of products. System validation confirms the new depot profile is active and available for immediate trade transactions. The updated master list reflects the new terminal alongside its specific margin and distribution rules. Centralizing depot configurations ensures consistent pricing, accurate freight recovery, and standardized terminal operations across the enterprise. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.